Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a very handy new feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to mark an archived chat as unread. This update makes managing your messages even easier, and I'll guide you step by step so you can start using it right away. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once the app is open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll see your main chat list, along with different options. Scroll down slightly until you find the section that says Archived. Go ahead and click on it to enter your archived chats. Inside your archived folder, you'll see all the conversations you've previously moved out of your main chat list. Maybe you stored away a chat to reduce clutter, or you simply wanted to keep it out of sight. Now, let's say you want to mark one of these archived chats as unread, so you'll be reminded to come back to it later. All you need to do is find the specific chat you're interested in. Once you've located it, move your mouse over that chat and right-click. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, simply choose the option that says Mark as Unread. As soon as you click it, the chat will immediately be marked with a green dot, just like any message you haven't opened yet. This is a great way to keep track of conversations you want to revisit, even if they're tucked away in the archive section. This update makes a big difference for anyone who uses WhatsApp for personal chats, work conversations, or group discussions. Instead of losing track of a message, marking it as unread ensures it stays on your radar until you're ready to respond. And that's all it takes. Just a few quick steps. Open the app, enter Archived, find your chat, right-click, and select Mark as Unread. Simple, effective, and incredibly useful for staying organized. If you've ever missed a message or wanted a reminder to reply later, this little feature is going to save you a lot of time. Give it a try and see how it helps you manage your chats more efficiently.